The Royal Air Force works every day to defend the United Kingdom and help strengthen international peace. Providing friendship, help and support to the whole RAF family from the moment they enlist, throughout the service and beyond is the Royal Air Forces Association charity. The association needs your support. Help support our forces. Support the Royal Air Forces Association.
Hello, I'm Alastair Stewart, and I'm here to talk to you about the Royal Air Forces Association. The charity was formed in 1943, since when it has grown enormously. There are 500 branches here in the United Kingdom and many more overseas, with a total membership of 75,000, including 600 voluntary welfare officers. The association offers friendship, help, care and support to the whole Royal Air Force family when they need it most, and that includes people currently serving and those who served in the past, and of course their dependents. Receiving no money from the UK government, the association relies entirely on donations, subscriptions, fees and funds raised at a range of events, not least the Battle of Britain Airshow at Shoreham Airfield.
The Battle of Britain is an absolutely iconic event in UK history. It's one of the defining moments for the Royal Air Force. Our service genuinely saved the nation.
A history lesson, and long may it always be, because it helps people to remember, and which is very important.
This year we have a very varied programme with aircraft coming in. I'm standing in front of one of the World War I team, which comprises of 7 aircraft, all of World War I SE-5As and a couple of German Junkers, and they have a little battle. Provides quite a good idea of what went on. After that we have a lot of fast jets, RAF Typhoon, which is the Eurofighter. We have a Vampire jet, we have a pair of Nat jets and the RAF Hawk. 2 4-ship formation displays, one of the Blades, and they do a fantastic show. Excellent display. And with them that we also have the Yakovlevs. They display very close formation flying, which is absolutely amazing. And if you come to the air show, you'll see we have a village. We do have a very large children's area this year. We've got a craft marquee and plenty of room for people to walk around and park, plenty of food stalls and plenty of places for people to eat and drink. Mainly dads are into the flying, but we've got something for everybody here.
I'm the director of the aircraft restoration company at Duxford, and I'm bringing 5 aeroplanes in from Duxford for Shoreham show. This one is a Mark 9 Spitfire. It's now a 2-seater, but during the war it was a single-seat version and was used mostly out of the UK, but it was the second aeroplane to land in France on D-Day, and it got 1.5 kills on D-Day itself. So historically, it's a very historic Mark 9. Shoreham's performance it's a mixed bag for us, with a solo display and a single-seat Spitfire. The Spitfire in particular is a lovely aeroplane. It's very smooth, it's very agile. It's a real pilot's aeroplane. We do a Battle of Britain type display where this aeroplane and a lot of other Spitfires, 2 Hurricanes, an ME-109 that we're bringing down, we recreate a sort of Battle of Britain day, really. So there'll be the Messerschmitts attacking the airfield, the Hurricanes getting airborne to fight them off, then all the Spitfires scramble, which is always good because lots of noise and activity going on. And then it ends up with a big tail chase of the Spitfires to finish it off. And that all takes about half an hour, so the sky's pretty full for a good half an hour.
We're with the wing walking team, with Team Gino, and we're here for the Shoreham Airshow, and we're very much looking forward to getting in the sky. We start off on the top rig of the aircraft. We perform a number of manoeuvres, lots of loops and rolls. We do lots of handstands.
I think any background in gymnastics or ballet that you have is a great advantage, but basically a big smile on your face most of the time when it's not raining.
And at the end we climb down, we walk around, so we really enjoy it. We have such a great time.
Blades is a civilian display team. We started up back in 2006, so this is our 4th year. I've been with the team for the last 2 years, but it's essentially made up of ex-Red Arrows pilots, ex-military pilots who left the Air Force at various points in their career. It means we can take members of the public flying in our front seats, which you can't do with the Red Arrows. During the display, we basically fly as a formation, and we also split up into individuals or pairs as well. So at the beginning, we'll do most of our stuff as a formation, looping and rolling. And at various points, we'll do opposition passes, we'll do gyroscopic aerobatics, tumbles, knife edge spins, spins going up, spins coming down. At one point, myself and Miles, the leader, will do pairs tail slides, where we basically fall back down through our own smoke. It's just a wonderful aeroplane, and you'll get to see so much. And the beauty of this aeroplane is it's pretty much right in front of you. The whole show is right in front of you. We try and make it so there's no gaps at all, and it's just a great fun thing. So you can land as short as possible.
I'm one of the volunteers down here for Shoreham Airshow. Well, I've worked here from when I was 15 years old, actually, and I've worked in various guises through 19 of the 20 air shows. Every single person who works and who volunteers here, because I mean there is the hugest team, from Don Bean and his RAFA guys down to all the little volunteers that just turn up on the day. For me, it's part of my life. That's what I live for. Love it. Can't get enough of it. Will do anything to help. It's the whole part of the RAFA scene. They're here to help everybody, and it's just what we do, really.
The future of the RAF Association and the welfare that we support to people now and in the future has not diminished, and it will not diminish, while we as a defensive nation are always looking, and we have a Royal Air Force to support. From basically the guy who gets knocked over in Afghanistan and has his leg blown apart in an IED explosion, to the guy who's now 95, who served as a Spitfire pilot, who never thought he was going to ever have to ask for help, now does.
I was able earlier this year to help a lady and her husband in Stubbington who wanted to renew their grant for his time in the rest home or care home that he's in. He was not a member of the association, but he was a member of the Royal Air Force family. He was an ex-chief technician, he'd served 24 years, and sadly had Alzheimer's. We managed to secure the financial assistance he required. He's quite happy in the home.
But without the donations and the support that comes through from the likes of Wings Appeal, people leaving legacies to us, we wouldn't really be able to cope. But without the help and support of the likes of the Shoreham Airshow at the height of the summer season, we would miss, I would reckon, around about a quarter of the funding that we do get.
The association identifies those in need of assistance and then offers advice and support. And where it's appropriate, we can also support applications to other organisations for financial help. The association itself undertakes 23,000 welfare visits a year, provides temporary accommodation, and where appropriate can also offer respite breaks for those with a medical or welfare need in 3 purpose-built short-term respite break care homes.
The Royal Air Forces Association needs your support. The association helps over 30,000 people a year. That's 1 for every 20 minutes of every day. The comradeship, friendship and practical help offered to those who require aid and support is only made possible with your help. To find out how you can help and pledge your support, please visit the Royal Air Forces Association charity website, www.rafa.org.uk. Make a donation online or by calling the free phone number 0800 0182 361 and show your support by attending the Battle of Britain Air Show at Shoreham Airfield.
I think it's a wonderful event. Long may it ever be.